Welcome back to my channel, guys. I want to take the time out to thank all my subscribers for the continuous support, and Happy New Year's to each and every one of you. In today's video, I'm making a sweetsoap juice, and here I'm removing the inside portion of the sweetsoap, and then we'll go on to the next step. Here I've completely removed the inside portion. Here I have my dark stout, nutmeg, vanilla, and of course my condensed milk. And I'm going to use a little white rum also, but that's optional. And I'm going to pour all the sweetsoap in a blender, and I'm going to add enough water for blending. And then we strain, then we move on. Here I'm passing it through a bigger sieve to remove the seeds, so we can move on to the next step. Now I'm going to pass it through a finer sieve. Then I'm going to sweeten and add all the other ingredients. Then we can serve right away over ice or put in the fridge to cool. There you have it, guys, our final product. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe and give me a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe, turn the notification bell on, share, save, and comment. And Happy New Year's to you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.